Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to video. So here we are. Now let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera and the video we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick this settings so we can open the advanced camera settings. In the video mode, at the second position we have image stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.